Chef Pennington here. Today we're doing Butter-n-Thyme's Cooking with Kids. That's my niece Chloe. We're going to be doing her world famous waffle recipe, which has got some healthiness too. We'll get to that in a little bit. And that's my little buddy Carter. That's my nephew. He's just the coolest little kid. He's quite entertaining. You'll see that through the video here. And this is them testing the waffles. You can see that look on Chloe's face. She definitely gives us the nod. They're up to her standards of world famous. Carter's into it. He's like, oh yeah, it was good. All right, y'all, let's get started here. There's our ingredients. We're going to be making marshmallow, chocolate chip, and caramel, homemade caramel.
Hey, Carter.
Waffles with some chia seeds and some flaxseed, which is awesome. We're going to make it healthy and delicious, everything you possibly want. We're talking about cooking with kids. So let's get started. Good to go? All right, welcome to Butter-n-Thyme Cooking with Kids. This is my niece and nephew. This is Chloe, and this is Carter. They're our chefs today. I'm here assisting them today. And what are we making today, Chloe?
Waffles.
Waffles. What kind of waffles?
Chocolate chip waffles and marshmallow.
Oh, that sounds perfect. That's exactly what I want for breakfast today. Okay, how would you like to start? What should we do first?
The flour.
The flour? Okay. Let's get some flour here. What kind of flour are we using? Is this all-purpose or whole wheat or anything like that? Mom, do you know?
Good old all-purpose flour.
All-purpose flour, okay. So here you go. Let's see, and here's your measurement. Okay, let's see, do you remember how much flour do we need?
2 cups.
Let's see. That's right, we're doubling the recipe, aren't we? Okay, 2 cups it is. Y'all want to see the recipe card? Here's what we got to get started with. Perfect, nice and smooth. Definitely when you're baking, like this is kind of like baking really, because we're mixing all these good ingredients. You really do want to be precise. It's not really a game of guessing and throwing a bunch of stuff together.
Yeah.
We got one on Carter. We want to fill it all the way to the top first. So can you make that level all the way to the top? Get you another spoon to help you. Need that to help you get in there?
It's way hard.
Can you get all the way to the top? And flour can be a little tricky. There you go, that's a good one. I'd say that's good. That's good.
Okay.
We'll put that back in there. Perfect. All right, flour's down, check. All right, Chef Chloe, what are we gonna do next?
Sugar.
Sugar. That's the good stuff. We love sugar.
Sugar.
Okay, that's measured out. How much sugar do we have there? Is that
We have 4 tablespoons.
4 tablespoons of sugar? Just regular white sugar. I'm sure you can use whatever sugar you want, but that's gonna be finer, so it's gonna be a lot easier. You won't have big granulars of sugar, so use the white fine table sugar.
Sugar.
All right, that's it. And then what's next after that?
We need baking powder.
Baking powder. Do you know what baking powder does?
Makes it.
Makes it rise? That is absolutely right. I'm super awesome impressed with that. All right, let's see. There's some baking powder. So baking powder is a leavening agent, like she says. It helps everything rise and makes it light and fluffy and what we want when we're talking about pancakes or waffles. This could probably be substituted for a pancake batter too if you wanted to.
What do you put?
So are we doing 2? So you did 2 tablespoons and he's doing 2 tablespoons?
Yeah.
Perfect. I like that. It's teamwork. And one more. Perfection. Perfect. And what's next? What's our next ingredient?
Salt.
Some salt. Now, salt is important because salt brings out flavor. This won't taste salty at all, but when you don't add salt, you can always tell there's something missing. You can't really tell what it is, but it's always the salt. So we're going to use 1 whole tablespoon. There you go.
Wow.
That absolutely levels it off. Perfect.
Or teaspoon. That's a teaspoon.
That's a teaspoon. Okay, so go ahead and put 2 more of those in there.
You want to do it? How do you do it?
We'll do 2. 2 would be perfect. Okay, there we go. And we're gonna go, what's next, Chloe?